dead sea salt, fragrance free. I also have pink Himalayan sea salt. I also have cane sugar and brown sugar. I will also be using turmeric, honey, avocado oil, safflower oil, this lemon oil, and I'm going to also use this orange oil. So these are the items that I will be using today. Okay, so what we're going to do first is I'm going to take my dead sea salt and my food processor, and I'm going to stop.
Okay.
I'm going to measure what I have. I'm basically going to use the rest of I'm gonna say the rest of what I have in here. So that is 328 grams. I'm going to also add in this sugar. Let's see. We can do that.
107.
So the reason I'm making this is because I am going to get a bikini scrub, a bikini wax before my birthday. And I heard that you have to do a scrub before you do a bikini wax. 600 grams. Okay. So now that I have that chopped up, I'm going to place it in this bowl. If there's any water in your formula, you would need to use a preservative. So I'm gonna clear this out to 0. Now I'm going to add some turmeric. I'm gonna do 25 then, that's fine. Take our handy spatula and mix that up.
It's yellow.
It does look yellow.
And there looks really yellow. Honey, honey, honey.
Put some oil, clear that out.
Looks like honey. You use honey, Mommy?